3 years ago, we featured the team during the green fodder harvest. Now we share further insights into the contracting company and show how the business has been reorganized for tomorrow's challenges. This video focuses on spring fieldwork. Among all the services Schütze provides, digestate spreading generates the largest share of revenue. To stay flexible and meet diverse customer needs, Schütze operates 2 Vredos and this Claas Xerion 5000. Martin has worked at Schütze for 4 years and primarily operates the 530 horsepower Xerion. Digestate spreading accounts for 2/3 of the 1,500 annual operating hours. The remaining time is dedicated to operations at the silo. Switching the tractor to silage pushing mode takes roughly a day and a half, including cleaning. The contracting company operates across eastern Lower Saxony, about 30 minutes north of Wolfsburg. In Saxony-Anhalt, the Radenbeck site has also been serving a large customer base for many years. Pascal is operating a feed truck that supplies the tanker today. The trained agricultural machinery mechanic has been with Schütze for 10 years. He joined the company at 17 as a temporary driver and has remained ever since. Together with his colleague Florian, Pascal is committed to continuing the contracting company. Both are passionate about the industry and the contracting sector. Company founder Günther Schütze is pleased with the commitment of his 2 employees. At 63, he recognizes the importance of passing the business to capable hands to secure his staff's and customers' futures. The company currently has 15 permanent employees and an extensive fleet. With support from the Federal Association of Contractors and an accounting firm, the company was restructured into a limited partnership with a limited liability component, with Florian and Pascal becoming partners. Günther Schütze will remain as managing director for approximately 4 more years before stepping down. He founded the contracting company in 1985 alongside his own farm. The fall of the Berlin Wall and proximity to the Altmark region in northern Saxony-Anhalt accelerated growth. Lighter soils in the Altmark region mean longer operating seasons compared to Lower Saxony, a key competitive advantage. Schütze has operated Vredo self-propelled machines since 2014. With a 550 horsepower Scania engine, the VT5536 delivers versatility across multiple farm operations. In addition to this 8-meter Amazon compact disc harrow, Schütze operates an 18-meter trailing shoe cultivator and a 12-meter slurry injector. Strip tillage has become the preferred method among customers for maize cultivation. It involves working the soil only where seeds will be sown. Using the specially designed implement, soil is loosened to 20 to 30 centimeters deep, depending on customer requirements. The slurry strips are placed at a depth of 11 centimeters in a single pass, giving plants immediate nutrient access. Beyond nutrient supply, strip tillage offers erosion protection and improved water retention. Some customers now want to extend this method to sugar beet and rapeseed cultivation, so Schütze is adding a 12-row strip till implement with 50 centimeter row spacing for the 2026 season. For sowing, Schütze operates several Vredo Tempo precision seed drills. Whether strip tillage, mulch sowing, or conventional sugar beet sowing, Schütze is equipped to meet all customer requirements with 50 and 75 centimeter row spacing. The Vredo VT7138 with its 12-meter Agrisem disc harrow is a powerful machine in the field. With 32 cubic meter flex tanks, it stays under 3 meters in transport width, crucial for road transport. With 3 driven axles and crab steering, the 710 horsepower self-propelled slurry tanker can start the season a week earlier in spring than conventional towed tanks. This operational advantage is significant. Operating the slurry spreader efficiently during the intense season requires experienced, trained drivers. With the disc harrow, experienced operator Florian covers 1,500 cubic meters in a 12-hour day. With the 36-meter drag hose, output reaches 2,000 cubic meters. Logistics are critical. Schütze keeps a fleet of 10 truck and trailers on hand to keep operations running smoothly. In spring 2026, the 3-axle spreader will be replaced by a new VT7138. For 40-year-old Florian, joining the company was a significant emotional decision. He knew the business inside and out, a solid, profitable venture built over years, but he also faces uncertainty, since the service sector will transform as the biogas industry evolves in the coming years. Schütze has already adapted to these industry developments, expanding into sugar beet harvesting and transport services. To build up its workforce, the company will launch apprenticeships in agricultural services starting mid-2026. Applications are welcome. The company is also hiring drivers for agricultural and freight transport. In Part 2, we explore Schütze's harvesting operations and straw business, featuring one of the first deployments of the Krone HDP2. You can learn more about Schütze agricultural contracting services on their website and Instagram. The link to Part 1 is available in the video description.